Earthquake engineering is a discipline that applies civil engineering to earthquakes in order to design structures that are able to resist the unique vertical and horizontal loading experienced in the case of an earthquake. An 8.8 magnitude earthquake occurred off the coast of central Chile in 2010, killing 525 people. Throughout the challenge, we have participated in 3 different workshops. During our first workshop, we studied the failure of the O'Higgins Tower, which partially collapsed during the earthquake. Some of the issues we as engineers should consider include: would it be safe enough for emergency services to enter the tower? Would the tower collapse further in the event of a possible aftershock? Would there be a risk of fire during the evacuation process? A possible solution could be to put in place exclusion zones to keep the injured away from the areas where the tower could potentially collapse again. This also helps to clear access for emergency services. In our second workshop, we studied the failure of the Las Palmas tailing dam. The dam failed as a result of the excess horizontal loading caused by the shock waves. This effect was intensified by the vertical component of the earthquake. The main issues that emerged as a result of the dam failure were the damage done to the surrounding infrastructure. The possible solutions could be to clear out a path to ensure that the site and surrounding areas are fully accessible by emergency services and put in place an evacuation plan for the region that is affected by the tailings. The objective of the third workshop was to create an evacuation plan for the National Stadium in Santiago in case of an earthquake. Our goal is to evacuate everyone from the stadium in the shortest space of time possible, which must not exceed 8 minutes. According to our plan, the evacuation process will take approximately 6 minutes 42 seconds. The main concern would be to provide adequate healthcare services to those in need and managing the panicking crowds without causing further injuries. The possible solutions could be to assign a designated assembly point for those who are injured and to utilize on-site personnel to keep roads and access to patient zones free for ambulances and other emergency services. Overall, we very much enjoyed participating in this challenge and collaborating with our Chilean colleagues. It is a valuable opportunity that allows us to put our learning into practice, and it enables us to develop many of the much needed skills in order to go on to becoming a successful engineer in the future.